Hello everyone, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. We're looking at a 2004 Suzuki GSXR 1300 Hayabusa, fully customized. This bike is gorgeous. And with only 17,000 miles, it's got plenty of life left. This bike is fully customized. It's got polished and chrome everything on here. I don't think there's a part on this bike actually that's not polished, if it couldn't have been, to be honest. I'm looking at it and I don't see anything. We've got triple trees, we've got handle grips, we've got brakes, we've got mirrors, we've got swing arms, we've got subframe, we got frame, we got wheels. I mean, we've even got polished calipers on the rear here. We've got polished rear pegs. This bike's amazing. This color is beautiful, and this paint, let me tell you, this paint is in exceptional condition. Whoever painted this knows exactly what they're doing. There's not a run, a scratch, or an imperfection that I can see in this paint. It's just gorgeous. This bike's amazing. Look how nice everything is on this bike. So we've got a Fish's swing arm back here, polished wheels, got the tag mount on the side, Yoshimura Exhaust,